Hi scientists! You guys have been such good explorers of the world around you. We have discussed vertebrates, invertebrates, worms, plants, even dinosaurs, all living things that shared or still share this world with us. Now we will discuss something that all living things have in common: habitats. So go ahead, get your science journal, mom, dad, or another adult, and meet me back here so we can learn all about habitats. Hello! Our friends and I were just hanging out in this amazing habitat. Can you say habitat?
Habitat!
Great job! A habitat is the natural home of an animal, plant, or any living thing. This isn't the natural habitat of all of our friends, but that's okay. We're going to discuss the natural habitats of our friends in the next lesson. Right, Ollie?
Yes.
Now, we are going to talk about different habitats, but today we're going to talk about what a habitat must provide to be livable. What does it need for us to live in it to be a good habitat? Those things are clean air, clean water, food, yum, and shelter. That's right. Clean air, clean water, food, and shelter. Now, think about where we live. We live in a habitat. Look at these habitats. Now, our habitats might look different, but they all provide these basic needs. Let's repeat them again so we remember. Clean air, clean water, food, yum, and shelter. That's right. Now, if your home had dirty water, or if a tornado came and tore your roof off, oh no, what would your family do? Move! That's right! Animals do the same thing. If you are an animal in the wild and you live near a fresh, clean river with fresh, clean water, but a pride of lions moves in and they take over that water source, what are you going to do? You're going to move. That's right. Animals, just like you and me, they can do something amazing. They can adapt. Can you say adapt?
Adapt!
Great job. Adapt means to adjust to new things. That's right. Sometimes we have to move for clean air, clean water, food, or shelter, but sometimes we move to a new school. Sometimes we have to move and get a new teacher. Sometimes we move to a new house, a new city. Whatever it is, you can do it because we are pretty cool. We can adapt. So if you're coming up to something new, a new teacher, a new school, a new home, you just tell yourself, I can adapt, and you can because you are strong. All right, great job. So your activities for this lesson, they are really fun. They involve your science journal. Now make sure you ask your adult for help. You can ask them questions. So here are some questions I would like you to answer. Look at your shelter. What does it look like? Draw a picture of it. Now, if you had to build your own shelter, what would it look like? Draw it in here. Another question. Where does your water come from? Does it come from a river? A lake? The ground? I don't know. Find out. Write it in your journal. Let's see. Where does your food come from? Do you have to travel really far to get it? If you had to find it on your own, could you get it? Those are fun questions, right? Have fun with it. Then I want you to look at some animals nearby. Maybe a squirrel, a bird. Let's see. What does their shelter look like? What is their water source? How do they find food? What do they eat? I want you to write it all in your science journal. You're going to be scientists. You're going to put on your thinking cap, and we're going to learn all about the habitats right around us. Okay, I look forward to seeing you next time.